Hey, so this is the separation barrier, this wall. As you can see, it's quite big and made of concrete. And it has been a place of work for graffiti artists, professional and amateur. This is example of the graffiti. I'm not sure who did this, but I'll say that Banksy, who some of you might know, is a graffiti artist from Britain. He's anonymous; nobody knows who he is. Has done a lot of graffiti art on the West Bank. This might be Banksy, but I'm not sure. But it is a very symbolic place for people to do art and leave graffiti about Palestinian rights and what the wall has done to a nation of people. Going again back to our West Bank map, I want to point out a few things. Again, there's something here called the Green Line that the people refer to in this region of the world. And that is this outer border. It's hard to see because there's a lot of green, but it's outlined in green. And a lot of Palestinians in the West Bank, at least, talk about the Green Line as the borders they want to return to. They're willing to compromise to the Green Line. However, as I mentioned last slide, the Israelis have already built into the Green Line to take up more land illegally, and you can see where in this it says the blue or the red, it talks about the wall is either under construction or is going to be built. So you can see how much the wall eats into legally Palestinian areas.